Manipur ki ahanba Supreme Court ki Judge Justice and Kotiswar bo High Court Bar Association of Manipur amasung All Manipur Bar Association na harau tayamna oktuna ikai khumna bo utkre. Justice and Kotiswar na Manipur gi rang asigi solution purakna ba khotna haudrabadi malim gi honglakli bachawkhat khongthang mayol asida ikoi yawbangam loi haina nungnang ba phongdokre. Amaramda mahangna ngasigi thak asi yorakpa ngamliba se Manipur miyamgi thokdangdagi ngambani hairaduna well wisher singda thagatpa phongdokre. Imphal City Convention Center the pangthokiba thoram aduda High Court of Manipur gi Justice A Bimol, Justice A Guneshwar, Justice Golmai Gaiful Silu Kabui, High Court Bar Association gi President Yumnam Nirmol Chan, Ambagi President Puyam Tomchana Achambu Khudol Piduna Justice and Kotiswar bu taramna okay. Thoramadu wangang with the Justice Kotiswar na makataraduna Manipur haiba state ase tongan bakanglo furup na punna khundaba yamna phazabalam damamani haribalam dam asi ngasidi chahi ama hena tangdu leitada ba fibam amada leiduna miyamna awaba mayoknari thokliba irang asigi mapung phaba solution porakna ba ching amasung tamda khundari ba furup khudingmangna amata oina hotna minaba mathautai haiki Thoramadu Justice Kotiswar gi apokpi nongmai kapam ongbi gomti amasung mahaki loinabi dasu achamba khudol pidunai kai khumnaki Thoramadu Bar Council gi Chairman S Brajabihari, Advocate General Lenin Hizam, Manipur Judicial Academy gi Director Retired Justice KH Novin, Law Commissioner Senior Advocate Singh, Marilenaba Official Singh amadi lawyer kayana sarukyaki.
We must come together and live together peacefully in harmony as brothers and sisters. As we had been living in the past, it is possible we are not sworn enemies. Perhaps there have been some misunderstanding somewhere. But as we see, as judges and lawyers, we are all familiar with family disputes, especially in a family court. We always try to bring a solution rather than try to find fault with who is responsible for the breakup in the family. We always try mediation, reconciliation, try to bring about a solution so that the family can work, live. That is what I feel today. We must all come together, try to find a solution so that we can live together in peace and harmony and march ahead together.